Okay, folks, it's finally happening. We've got our first real-life glimpse of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, and while it might look almost identical to its predecessor at first glance, a closer look reveals some subtle but meaningful changes. The leak comes courtesy of Weibo tipster Satsuma Digital, who dropped a photo that appears to show the Fold 7 in the wild, along with what could be a screen protector for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now we know what you're thinking. Wait, isn't that just the Fold 6? Fair question, because yeah, the design is super similar. But there are a few telltale signs we're looking at something new. First up, the color. This icy blue shade, not part of the Z Fold 6 lineup. So either Samsung's feeling frosty this year, or we're looking at a next-gen model. Second, check out the frame. The metal surrounds on the back are gone. That could mean Samsung's switching things up with the construction, possibly going for a cleaner, sleeker look. And third, the flash. It's sitting just a bit lower than it does on the Fold 6. Not a huge difference, but enough to suggest this isn't just a repaint job. Now, while this one image doesn't confirm everything, rumor has it the Fold 7 will be a bit larger. We're talking 8.2 inches when open and 6.5 inches closed, versus the 7.6 and 6.3 inches on the Fold 6. So yeah, a little extra screen real estate for your multitasking needs. Other rumored upgrades: a massive 200-megapixel main camera, say goodbye to that old 50-megapixel shooter, a thinner profile, and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip under the hood for blazing performance. As for the official reveal, if history repeats itself, we'll probably see the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 unveiled at a Galaxy Unpacked event in July. But hey, this is Samsung. We wouldn't be surprised if more leaks drop before then. So, how do you like this new look of the upcoming Z Fold 7? Share it down below. And don't forget to stay tuned, hit that follow button, and let's keep our eyes peeled for more juicy details. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.